Welcome back, everyone. I'm here in the beautiful city of Burlington, Vermont. This time I'm gonna be a little bit more adventurous. I'm right here on Locomotions, one of the most well-known bike rental shops in Burlington, Vermont, and I'm gonna be taking a bike ride from the port here right across Lake Champlain. There's a specific route that you can take. It's super fun according to the locals, and you can even cross into Lake Champlain into another small island, and there's farmers markets. There's a lot of organic groceries, and I'm definitely going to try that. Now, my only little concern today is it's cloudy. There's been some rain, so I'm a little concerned about getting shocked by lightning, but according to the locals, they say, nah, don't worry about that. It happens now and again, but you should be fine. So join me on this amazing adventurous bike ride across Lake Champlain. Well, I haven't ridden a bike in ages, I would say. I can't even remember, but I'm getting the hang of this. I could definitely get used to this if I ever moved to Vermont, but this is amazing. The views are beautiful. Weather's a bit rainy, but they're not really expecting any more rain later on this afternoon, which is actually a good thing because I kind of don't want to get shocked by lightning while I'm in Lake Champlain. The West Coast, especially of LA, it's very dry. Okay, here on the other hand, it's just humid. That's kind of the big difference. Not only is it humid, it suddenly starts raining. They call it flash flooding. It starts raining, then it stops, then the sun is out. Okay, so that's kind of peculiar for us West Coast people. But come out here during summer, take this bike ride. You will not regret it. This is so much fun. Now up for the bigger challenge, crossing Lake Champlain. Let's do it. This is amazing. Beautiful. We're gonna take the ferry right now. We're gonna cross into a little island, grab a drink, and then after that, we're coming right back to Burlington. If you guys are ever in Burlington, Vermont, you have to take this ferry ride. Okay, it's the one right here. Okay, it's super fun. There's a lot of bugs. They're called gnats. Apparently, they're not dangerous, but they were all over me as I was crossing the lake. So, all right, let's get to it. It's a nice breeze. Reminds me of the ferry that crosses from Rivas to Ometepe Island in Nicaragua. Just got off the ferry and now I'm about to cross into South Hero Island, Vermont. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I made it to the other side, the little island on Vermont. I made it to Allenholm Farms. It's a really nice, sort of like a cottage, well, kind of, but it's on the side of the road, and they make their famous creme, okay, which is, it's essentially an ice cream homemade here in Vermont. So I'm gonna have that with some famous Amber Ridge 100% Vermont maple syrup and some sap. Okay, so I'm gonna have this to kind of like energize, hydrate, and then we're gonna get back to Burlington. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this adventure. Right now I'm pedaling back to Burlington. This was definitely unforgettable. If you guys are ever in Vermont, you definitely have to check out the local bike ride across Lake Champlain. Okay, always remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you guys can keep up with all my adventures. Okay, make sure to also drop a comment. It's for the algorithm. It helps the small channel. All right, guys, catch you on the next adventure.